Before we get in today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth the Martian. In today's video, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing Fall Guys dimension. That's right, guys, and I am super excited that we're heading to this dimension because I absolutely love playing Fall Guys. Like, I've been playing Fall Guys ever since it came out, guys. I just can't seem to break away from it. But what we're going to be using to head to this dimension is we're going to be using 10 magenta concrete. We're also going to be using fur light blue concrete and 1 flint and steel, guys, and that's all we're going to be using to head to the Fall Guys dimension. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing we want to do is we want to place 2 magenta concrete down, just like that, right there, guys. Then we want to go ahead and place 1 light blue concrete on each side of our magenta concrete, just like that, right there, guys. Now we can just go ahead, run, and jump on up, grab our magenta concrete, and place 3 of these on this side with 1 light blue concrete right on top. Now we can just go ahead and jump on down. Son of my buns. That really hurt, guys, but it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun to do. I absolutely love jumping off of that. But now we just want to go ahead and we want to place 3 magenta concrete on this side, and then 2 magenta concrete right in the middle, and then 1 light blue concrete on the edge. Now we can just go ahead, run, and jump on this chicken. He's actually really far away. You're so lucky. Because if I would have jumped on you, I would have probably broke your back. I probably would have broke his back. But that's what the frame looks like, guys, after we're done. It looks really amazing, guys. I have to say, it looks really amazing. But now it's time to light this baby up with a flint and steel. So all we have to do, guys, is light this baby up, and then we can head to the Fall Guys dimension. Boom! Wow! That is amazing, guys. Wow, I really love the color. That's really nice, guys. That's really nice. But now it's time to head into the Fall Guys dimension. This is going to be so amazing, guys. Oh my God, guys. I knew this dimension was going to be amazing. I did not expect there to be a full-blown Fall Guys level in this dimension, guys. Wow. This is probably one of the most amazing dimensions I've ever been to, guys. Wow. I absolutely love this dimension. You know what, guys? I'm going to see how good I am in Minecraft Fall Guys. I'm actually pretty good in Fall Guys. I usually come in like first place. But you know what, guys? I'm going to go ahead and put my Minecraft skills and my Fall Guys skills to the test and see if I'm good in Minecraft Fall Guys. I'm really hoping I am, because I am good in Fall Guys and I am good in Minecraft. But let's go ahead and see if I'm good in both. So let's go ahead and try to blow through this level as fast as we can, guys. Wow, I got kind of caught up on the webs. But if you guys are actually wondering, like, what skin I use in Fall Guys, I usually use the pineapple skin, guys. And oh my God, who is this? No way, it's T-Rex. I'm not going to mess around with him, guys. I'm not going to mess around with him. I can't believe he's in this dimension. But you know something? I've never, all the times I've played Fall Guys, I've never seen a T-Rex come in first place. I might have to go as T-Rex next time I play Fall Guys, just to see if I can get in first place with them, because I don't think I've ever seen it, guys. But whoa, what is this? Let me go ahead and test this out with my pig. No! Not my pig! He was like a father to me. He was like a father to me. When nobody else would change my diapers, he was the only one that would do it. He was the only one. I can't believe he went like that, guys. You know what? I've got to finish this. I've got to finish this in his name. Please don't fall. Oh my God, guys. That was so close. That was so close. Let's go ahead and keep going, guys. Wow, that about gave me a heart attack, guys. That about gave me a heart attack. And oh my God, they trolled me. Really, I cannot believe this. They trolled me, guys. Let's go ahead and keep running, guys. Oh my God, I hate these so much. I hate these so much. But if I just take my time, I should be able to blow through this. This is so scary. Oh, we did it, guys. We did it. Is this the end? Oh my God, no way. No way. T-Rex beat me? Really? Oh, that would never happen. That would never happen in Fall Guys to me. How did you beat me? Wow, guys. I said I've never seen a T-Rex come in first place. And obviously, that has changed. That has changed today, guys. I can't believe this. I should be first place. I should be setting in that. That's so messed up. That is so messed up. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. I'm not going to accept it, guys. I'm not going to accept second place. Because I should be first place. I should be sitting right here. Just forget about him. Just look at me. Don't pay no attention to the T-Rex. Because really, I should be number one, guys. I should be first place. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. You know what? I'm at least going to get my gold crown. Where is it? Did it disappear? Oh my God, where did it go? Did you steal it from me? I think he did, guys. I think he did. I cannot believe this. I mean, actually, I was kind of trying to steal it from him. So I guess he would just be, I guess, taking what is his, because he owns all of that now, guys, because he is the champion, which I really hate to say that because, to be honest, I should be number one, guys. I should be in first place. I should be the champion. I don't know how he managed to do this. Like, he must have passed me somewhere back there, guys. I don't even know. I'm not even going to talk about it anymore, guys, because it really makes me upset, and it really depresses me, guys. It really does. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.